Want to carry your favorite toys on your vacation but afraid of Kalesh at the airport? Here's a tried and tested way for traveling with pleasure. Meet Bunty and Bubbly and their gang, our favorite toys. Here's how we snug them in because explosive orgasms are our birthright. Pack all your toys in your check-in baggage instead of hand baggage. A bunch of toys together might attract attention. Divide them and keep them separately. A dildo that looks like a penis to pakda jayega. We suggest to carry toys that look discreet and not easy to identify by the airport scanner. Bubbly needs her protection too. Cover your toys in clear packaging to maintain hygiene. Suitcase mein vibration? No chance, bro. Remove batteries from all toys and keep them separately or buy new batteries at your destination. Packaging nikalo and keep your toys directly in your bag. Jugaad tip. Conceal your toys with similar looking objects like a trimmer or a hair dryer. Thoda organize bhi kar lo. Place the wires and toys separately. Be the boss you are. Look confident, don't be nervous. Aakhir galat kya kiya hai yaar? That's our happy face after successfully sneaking in a whole bunch of toys. We made it to our destination without being stopped or checked. Now be right back, running to make the most of our mehnat to get some much needed screams. Try out our expert tips and let us know your experience.